Hi, I'm Rosa. Thank you for joining me. I'm getting ready to show you the meal plan for week 3 of May 2025 with a little plot twist. So let me turn the camera around and show you what we have going on. And I will try to show you, well, I'll show you the meal plan, any groceries we pick up, as well as the meals. Sunday is Mother's Day. By the time you see this, Mother's Day will have passed. It's actually today. And happy Mother's Day, or happy belated Mother's Day to everyone out there. We ate out, and that's what we planned on. Burgers out is what I wanted, so that's Sunday's plan. Mondays we will have leftover, or Monday we will have leftovers. Tuesday, I actually need to pick up a couple groceries because we're going to take a plane ride and we will eat plane food, which isn't good, so I will pack some food. We will be in Vancouver on Wednesday and Thursday. We have dinner reservations for Wednesday. Thursday, we'll play it by ear. And then Friday, we are boarding a cruise, an Alaska cruise. So we will be eating cruise food Friday and Saturday, and I won't be cooking or grocery shopping, but I will try to show you what I eat, or what we eat, or what there is to eat. So that's how next week will be different. We've been to Alaska once before. It was 20 years ago. It was a very nice cruise. My husband, we actually did land-in cruise that time, and my husband has always wanted to go back. So we planned this a year ago, and we are going back to Alaska for a 7-day cruise. We are going with friends. We have, I think we're a group of 10 altogether, and so it will be a very nice time. What's great about going on a ship with friends is you get as much time as you want with them, but when you want time to yourself, it's a big ship, you have time to yourself. And these are great travel friends of ours. We've actually gone to Israel with them, or the majority of them. We've gone to Greece with them last year, Italy and France, and a few other places, and we planned a trip for this year to Alaska, and they're great traveling friends and friends in general, so we're so happy to be going with them. That makes the trip even better. So I will show you as the week progresses what's going on. Picked up a 25-pound bag of carrots at Publix for $20.79. Picked up some items for lunch, potato chips, provolone cheese, sliced up sausalito, an avocado, some bananas, and a cup of pastelitos for $23.62. Lunch at the ship from the buffet. And my son's choosing. And this is future me here to say that for the end of week 3, I really didn't keep track of the groceries or the meals. I went to the grocery store a couple times. We left on our trip and spent a few days in Vancouver and then on to the ship. So I just gave you a small glimpse of the meals, but as far as keeping track of any expenses for that, I didn't. And the meals that we ate out before we got on the ship were pre-planned. Well, they weren't pre-planned, but they were pre-budgeted. That was something that I had set aside when we knew we were going on vacation. I don't have anything to report except that it was a good time on vacation, and I will show you the following week as well in the next video.